Let's illuminate this winter with healthy glowing skin and achieving this clean makeup look. Hello lovelies, welcome back to On The Glow. My name is Muna and you're here to discover your glow through skincare, beauty, and wellness, and I've got you covered. Today is going to be a fun video where I pretty much get all glammed up and share with you my technique for healthy glowing skin using some of my favorite go-to skincare products, as well as this makeup look using my favorite daily go-tos of makeup products from Westman Atelier, Ilia Beauty, Kosas. There's so many amazing products that I love and that I have been loyal to for so long. So I definitely want to share all that with you. But first, if you want that healthy, glowing skin, it really starts from a good base of quality skincare products. To achieve a glowing and healthy complexion in the winter, here's my current morning routine that's quick and simple to do. So before we get into makeup, I want you to do me a quick favor. Please hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. I've got lots more content coming up, and let's get started with this makeup look. The first step is to brighten my eyes, so I use the Merit Beauty concealer. Then a touch of that warm golden tone, I go in with this other concealer by Kosas Beauty, and this is the Revealer Concealer to highlight and cover some of those dark spots. The final step to seal that clean skin look is my ultimate go-to foundation by Westman Atelier. This is the foundation stick. I am obsessed with everything that they make. This one here is really beautiful. It has a gorgeous warm golden undertone. It's very complimentary on my skin. I then set my skin with Kosas Cloud Setting Powder. Try saying that 5 times in a row. I'm obsessed with this palette. I use it daily. This is Ilia Beauty. It's a clean formulated 6-pan eyeshadow palette. I pretty much play with all their colors. They're a little bit more neutral, warm, nude, peachy tones, and then I build from there. I then blend with this OG eye brush from Scott Barnes. I think I've had this for almost 15 years now. I then blend a couple of those darker shades from the Ilia palette to contour my eyes. And if you know me by now, it's all about that glow, so I go in with a little bit of that golden shimmer on my eyelids. Right about now, it's a perfect time to moisturize my lips. I go in with this Balm Gloss by Live Tinted, and it's very hydrating. Let's shape my eyebrows with Merit Beauty's Pomade Gel. This gives me a very natural shape. I hate to overdo my eyebrows. I'm also, as you can see here, growing my brows, so it's a little bit of an awkward state. Let's get those eyes open and get those lashes popping. I go in with Merit Beauty's Clean Lash. I love products that have multi-use, so this is a multi-purpose stick by Olio y Oso, and you can use this on your cheeks and lips. I'm using this on my cheeks. I'm going to add a little shimmer and radiance on my cheekbones with Westman Atelier's Lit Up Highlight Stick in Parla. So if you didn't know by now, everything that I've shared with you here is all Conscious Beauty approved. These are safe, clean formulas, beautifully formulated, and some of these products actually have skincare benefits too. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys to learn more about these products. My last step is, of course, the lip. I am going to use this really beautiful palette. This is by Westman Atelier. They gifted me this gorgeous set, and this is called Lip Suede. The colors are so pretty. This is the first that I'm using it. Oh my gosh, it's just too pretty to touch. Way too pretty to touch, but I've got to use it at some point. So I thought I'd go for the last shade right here at the bottom. It just kind of has this nude-ish, lighter version of burgundy. I don't know the name of it, but I can find out and I can put it on the screen here for you guys. But let's give it a go. So that's it. This is my look. I hope you guys like it. If you are interested in seeing some other makeup looks or any other topics, I would be very happy to create that content for you. Thank you guys so much. Stay blessed, stay warm, and remember, keep glowing. So much fun. I can just like flip my hair.